In our last video, we spoke about Valentine's Day gifts, woman gift, man gift, how to present. I'll put that video in the cards. In this video, let's talk about how we can create the Valentine's Day vibe at home with whatever is lying around in the house. So for those of you who do not know me, I am Samita. I am the founder and owner of AoDA Eco Gifts Online. I live in and work out of Melbourne, Australia. I am a sustainability champion. As you can see, I have tentatively set up the table for Valentine's Day. Now I'll show you how to create a rose out of this piece of cloth, a piece of cloth that I'd use as napkin. Now for the centerpiece. I have taken 5 sheets of tissue paper and I will be accordion pleating it. Once you have 5 layers of accordion pleated tissue paper, tie in the center with a piece of string. So take a piece of string and tie it in the center. There you go. 1 knot, another knot just to secure, and then fold it, or maybe if it becomes too thick, just take one edge and cut it in a round shape, and the other side, the other edge, cut it in a round shape, and then fluff up the tissue paper into a nice plump flower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make sure you open out till the very edge, right till the end. So there you go, your first tissue paper flower is ready. If you want to pop the big question, what day could be better than Valentine's Day? Place some chocolates and strawberry on the cake stand, a little something, a mobile clutch or even a photograph, and I have kept the seat empty for your gift box. I'd show you how to make an explosion gift box. For the explosion box, take some card paper, pink, red or your Valentine's favorite color. Cut out 2 squares, a smaller one 18 centimeter square for the box and a slightly larger one 21 centimeter square for the lid. Divide into 9 equal squares. And then take a piece of card paper and on this square cut out a template of heart. So that's how I am creating the template. So you've got your heart template here. Place it on all 4 corners and trace the outline. Get rid of the extra bits. So now fold the box. Your box is nearly ready to assemble. So this is your box which has been assembled, and now we'll work on the lid. For the lid, take a piece of square card paper 1 centimeter larger than the box all around. Make 1 centimeter deep vertical cuts on all 4 corners in a clockwise direction. Fold and secure with double-sided tape or staples. I had salvaged some shredded paper from packaging. Now I'll show you how to create the surprise element in your explosion gift box with recycled packaging. Take some shredded paper, fill up the box with colorful shredded paper. And hide the all-important ring. Conceal it well within the shredded paper. Now this shredded paper and the ring inside can make or break your life. Don't take it lightly.